This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath home in Jasmine Heights. Open, split floor plan with large kitchen and breakfast bar. Front entry opens into large living area with high ceilings. Large master suite with walk-in closet, double sinks, separate shower and tub. All bedrooms have carpet while the rest of the home has upgraded luxury vinyl plank. Great home. Schedule an appointment today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.